Alright, welcome to another video for biology. In this video we're taking a look at the differences between DNA and RNA. So we're looking at a cartoon figure here of DNA. We're going to unwind that and we're going to magnify that and get a closer, more detailed look of what DNA is actually made out of. And as you can see, we're starting to make out some of the sugars, phosphates, and nucleic bases, and your hydrogen bonds shown here by the blue dotted line. So just as a reminder, we're looking at the different parts of DNA. We have your phosphate groups, okay, and then your alternating deoxyribose sugar, okay, the backbone of the DNA, and then we're looking at the rungs, the middle connecting parts, the cytosine, which always connects with guanine, and then we have adenine, which connects to thymine, okay, and these are always paired up with thymine always with adenine, cytosine with guanine. Thanks to Chargaff's research, we were able to figure that out. Okay, so let's look at DNA versus RNA now. So there's three main differences that I want you to know when discussing these three molecules. The first of the three, as we look at DNA, we'll look at DNA and we'll see that it's a double-stranded molecule. Okay, but then when you look at RNA and you compare that, it's only a single-stranded molecule. Okay, so that's the first of the three differences that I want you to notice, that RNA is a single-stranded molecule, whereas DNA is double-stranded. Now the second, okay, you'll see careful if you take a careful look at RNA, you'll notice those U's. Those U's are a different nitrogen base called uracil, and uracil replaces thymine. Okay, so everywhere there's supposed to be a thymine, it is now being replaced by uracil. So again, RNA does not have thymine, it has uracil in its stead. Okay, so if you take a look at the molecular structure of uracil and compare that to thymine, there isn't much difference unless you take a look at the top left-hand corner. You'll notice there in thymine that there's a what's called a methyl group, a carbon with 3 hydrogens attached, and then over on uracil, in that same position, okay, well actually the same position would be in that same position, there isn't anything there. There's only a hydrogen. Okay, so this carbon has a methyl group attached to it, and this carbon only has a hydrogen. Okay, so again, uracil in replacing thymine. Okay, so the third difference between RNA and DNA, okay, is the ribose sugar. Okay, notice again there is no we lost our green shape, now it's a purple ribose sugar. Okay, so deoxyribose is replaced by ribose. Okay, alright, so let's kind of rewind here and summarize. So the first difference between DNA and RNA, DNA is a double-stranded helix. Okay, RNA is a single-stranded molecule. The nucleic base thymine is replaced by uracil. And then third is the deoxyribose sugars replaced by ribose. Okay, so those are the three main differences between DNA and RNA. All right, good luck in your studying.